How to turn off ads in Lara Croft Relic Run. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Lara Croft Relic Run and want to reduce or remove ads while playing, firstly open up Lara Croft Relic Run application on your device and wait for the game to load. Once it loads, go ahead and tap on the No Ads button from the top center. In order to remove intruding ads, you need to spend some money. Tap on the USD option from the bottom or any other currency that you are currently using. At the bottom, just tap on this green button and follow through the instructions. Review the purchase details and complete the purchase through the official Google Play billing system if you decide to buy it. And then once you do that, restart the game if necessary. After you take this No Ads feature, you'll be able to remove ads on Lara Croft Relic Run. So that is how you will be able to turn off the ads in Lara Croft Relic Run. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.